It's taping. Here you go.
Corn. What was that? Like, what is the corn? How do you know it's corn?
Great thunder of the Cherokee Tribe, your sacrifice has stoked the council fire and has pleased the four winds. The wise spirit of the Chiracauaua nation are pleased and say that you will be a great leader of this nation. Are you ready, brave thunder, to become Chiracauaua nation chief?
Yes, Great Spirit, I am.
With this headdress, I pass along the wisdom and the power of the Chiracauaua nation. Speaking a little brave to the Chiracauaua nation, I charge you, here's a stick.
Wow.
I charge you to support our new nation chief and officers as they strive to make this great nation even better. Brave Thunder, I now call upon you, our new Chiracauaua nation chief.
Thank you, Dave. A wonderful job. A mighty how for our nation chief. Thank you, mighty Chiracauaua nation. With this headdress, nope, that's not it. I now call upon the braves that will assist me in leading this great nation in the 2010-2011 hunting season. Drum beater, Big Water from the Nez Perce. Fire starter, Lone Coyote from the Nez Perce. Wampum Bear, Big Thunder from the Comanche. Tally Keeper, Big Hunting Coyote from the Black Hawk. Chiracuaua, Sleeping Grizzly from the Cherokee. Medicine Man, Rusty Tomahawk from the Sioux. Station, Big Wolf from the Nez Perce. Web Spinner, Bellowing River Horse from the Cherokee. Halushka Chief, Screaming Eagle from the Nez Perce. Sand Painter, Snoring Moose from the Cherokee. Where is our new Nation Medman?
Right here.
Come here, buddy. Are you the new Nation Medman? You take that.
Horns, man. Horn them up.
Daniel's going to put on the ceremonial hat.
Get up there, man. Do what you did. Don't get poked.
Awesome. I have the, All right. A mighty ho-ho!
Rusty Tomahawk!
Okay, Chiracauaua Nation, I want to hear a mighty ho-ho! And I want to hear everybody say thank you today for an amazing year as the chief of our nation. Okay, mighty Chiracauaua Nation, as you saw, we had many braves graduating this year. I would like to see 2010 and 2011 of the hunting season for this group to grow. That requires all of you to go to your schools and tell your friends and bring your friends to the fall tent out. Bring them to the first meeting. I want to see this nation grow strong. The only way we're going to do that is if you bring your friends to the meetings. I want to hear a mighty ho-ho for bringing your friends.
If I might interject, if you're in Barrington on July 3rd, we're going to be running